Now that we introduce arithmetic sequence, the sum of the first n terms. We talked about geometric sequence. The general term, you're interested in knowing, hey, what is the formula for the sum of the first n geometric terms? So that guy is denoted by S sub n, which is equal to A sub 1, the very first term. It can be 1, it can be 2, it can be any number. That depends on the sequence that you have. Multiplied by what? Multiplied by 1 minus r to the n divided by 1 minus r. So this is the formula to find the sum of the first n terms of your geometric sequence. So take a look at this example here. Suppose I ask you to find the sum, example. Find the sum of the 10 terms of the following sequence. So here I give you 2, then I give you 4, then I give you 8, then I give you 16, and as we saw in previous example, 2 to the n, and the rest of the terms are the terms of this geometric sequence. Well, what is the common ratio? Common ratio is the division between two consecutive terms. 4 divided by 2, you can use these two, it doesn't matter. It is 2. What is the formula? The general term is 2 to the n. We already know how to calculate that. But what is S sub 10? If I add 2 and 4 and 8 and 16 and the first 10 terms, so plus 2 to power 10. So what I'm doing, 2 to the first, plus 2 to the second, plus 2 to the third, plus 2 to the fourth, plus 2 to the fifth, plus 2 to the sixth, plus 2 to the seventh, plus 2 to the eighth, plus 2 to the ninth, plus 2 to the 10th. What is this sum? And I ask you to find the sum of the first 10 terms. It means that I'm asking you to add these together. But it takes forever to add all of these together. You have a nice formula. The formula says, hey, S sub 10 is equal to A1, which is 2 parentheses, 1 minus R to power 10, 2 to power 10, divided by 1 minus 2. Very good. So basically here you have 2 times 1 minus 2 to power 10 divided by negative 1. What is this number? So as you saw, the answer is 2046. If I ask you to add all of these numbers together, it's basically doing the computation this way, which is much faster than adding these numbers together.